workshop, Igniting Young Minds, Empowering Primary Teachers in STEM Education for Future Innovators. Critical thinkers in our classrooms. 2030, we are short of agenda for today. We will be starting to reflect on the solutions, the real world context, and unfurling fostering future about resource sorted, short the STEM from math, from the they need to work on learning content questions days. To our presentation. Okay, so teachers, I wanted to do like a small challenge with you as other teachers mentioned in the chat box back for the strong points, and we have to give constructive feedbacks for improvement. We never have to I want to say thank you so much by the end of this presentation. Thank you so much for being